My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and this is how to create a wedding Photoshop action on Envato Tuts. With Photoshop actions, you can create your own Photoshop filters that can be used on your images to achieve cool photo effects. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an action in Photoshop that is perfect for wedding photos. By creating this wedding Photoshop action, you'll learn how to easily create your own photo filters and effects. First, make sure your image is a background layer. If not, go to Layer, New, Background from Layer. Use the chosen selection tool to outline the silhouette of the couple. Try to be as precise as possible. I use the Pen tool and then I use the Refine Edge panel to make the edge softer. Create a new layer. Fill it with black using the Paint Bucket tool. Create a new layer below. Fill it with a black and white gradient using the Gradient tool. The white part will be later affected by the blur. The black part will stay as it is. Plan your gradient accordingly. Click somewhere outside of the layers to deselect them. Create a new action, give it a name, and click Record. Go to the Channels tab. Right-click any channel and select Duplicate Channel. Name it Mask. Select RGB channel again and go back to the Layers tab. Hide both masks. Duplicate the background layer with Ctrl-J. Go to Filter, Blur, Lens Blur. Use the channel mask as the source for the depth map. Adjust the radius for the amount of blur and the brightness and threshold for the bokeh effect. Let's create a custom photo filter by mixing a couple of adjustments. First, add a gradient map. The left side colorizes dark tones of the image, the right side the light ones. You can add a hue and change the lightness of these areas by adding colors to this gradient. You can also achieve a trendy effect of lower contrast by colorizing the darker areas with a bright color. Lower the opacity of this layer to make the effect subtler. Add a curves adjustment. Switch the channel to green and drag the curve down to make the greens more subdued. Add a levels adjustment. Drag the left marker of the output to brighten the dark shades. Then double-click the layer to open the Blending Options panel. Drag the lower left marker of the Blend Diff settings to remove the effect of the adjustment from the dark areas. Split the marker with the Alt key to make the effect more transitional. Adjustments can be also added selectively to a part of the picture. Go to the Channels tab, hold Ctrl key, and click the thumbnail of the masked channel. Then go back to the Layers tab and add a solid color adjustment. Make it blue. Change its blend mode to divide and lower the opacity to make the effect subtler. Finally, let's make the bright parts brighter. Add a brightness contrast adjustment. Make the whole image brighter without trying to keep it look good. Double-click the layer. Adjust the Blend Diff settings to make the brightening effect more selective. Lower the opacity if the effect is still too intense. Let's make the image just a little sharper as well. Make a selection out of the silhouette of the couple and duplicate the background layer with Ctrl-J. Drag it to the top. Go to Filter, Other, High Pass. Drag the radius until you see the lines without too much glow around. Change the blend mode to Linear Light. If you want to make this effect more intense, duplicate the layer. The action is finished now, so click Stop Recording. Now you can add the same photo effect to other photos. Just create the masks and click Play. Because this Photoshop filter consists of various adjustment layers, they all can be adjusted afterwards to customize the effect. Now you know how to create a wedding Photoshop action. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching.